What I wish I knew before the Texas floods? This wasn't just a freak storm. It was a preventable disaster. In Kerr County, Texas, known as Flash Flood Alley, officials asked for $1 million to upgrade their flood warning system back in 2017. Their goal? More sensors, better alerts, and real-time updates, especially for local summer camps. But the state denied funding, twice. Fast forward to July 2025, catastrophic floods kill at least 95 people, including 27 from Camp Mystic. The county had some alerts, but not the full system they needed. This isn't just about weather, it's about choices. Could better warnings have saved lives? That's the question Texans are asking right now.